nakakakaba. Pero ang saya sa feeling kasi nakita mo na yung mga taong mahal mo is nakasupport sa inyo. Ang sarap palang ikasal ng lahat sila nag-aantay na excited din para sa'yo.
We knew we'd get there someday. They said I bet.
Hindi ko maipaliwanag. Excited na may kaba, na hindi mo alam mangyayari. Pero masaya.
We're still together, still going strong.
Yung kwento namin is, niyaya ko ng mga tropa ko na mag-TESDA. Vocational course sa Taytay. Since out of school youth ako noong panahon na yun, nag-try ako, makasakali. Matapos kahit vocational course. So, sakto, birthday ko nung araw na yun, pumunta kami, kasama yung mga taga sa amin, marami kami. And yun, naging kaklase ko siya doon sa course naming computer hardware servicing.
Kiss goodnight. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said
Nagkakilala kami ni D. Nag-aaral kami sa college yung
get us holding on.
bookkeeping. Yung alam namin na bookkeeping, talagang ayos ng book. Sabi ko, naku, maingay ako, hindi ako pwede sa ganyan. Hindi ko kaya yung tahimik. So, nag-ship ako, nag-ano ko dun sa computer service hardware ng NC2. And then, dun kami nagkakilala ni John. Classmate ko siya, president namin.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one.
Sila lang kasi yung siya yung pinakamaliit sa grupo. 3 silang Teletubbies. Siya yung isa sa mga maliliit na person sa klase namin. And syempre, maganda. So, kapansin-pansin talaga.
Kasi siya, parang iba siya sa lahat. Tapos, ang galing niya magsalita, ang gwapo, boses pa lang, ang gwapo na. So, yun. Actually, ako talaga yung nag-confess na gusto ko talaga siya.
You're still the one I want for life.
Happy wedding, happy anniversary, belated happy birthday. 3-in-1 na yan. Lahat.
I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Mahal kong ni, 15 years and 23 days ago, it was my 18th birthday. Sumama ako sa mga tropa ko, meron daw TESDA sa may Taytay. Libre lang, kaya sumama ako para kahit papano may matapos. Little did I know, God gave me the greatest gift. And that's for me to meet you.
Ain't it funny how love hits you when you least expect it to? Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you.
Hello, D. This is it. Happy 15th years anniversary to my personal driver, my advisor, my best friend, my enemy, my partner, my better half, my love, and today my husband.
And always, from this day on, I will be everything that you need. I won't let anyone or anything come between you and me.
It was September 3, nagpaalam ako sa mama mo na liligawan kita. Ngunit, bago ko umuwi, nagparinig ka. Sabi mo, Chad, 3 ngayon. favorite number ko. Ay ano pa nga ba? So it has been 15 years. Happy anniversary sa'yo.
I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always. Hold me close, don't let me go. 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 I promise.
Kaya everyday kong iniisip na isa ako sa mga swerteng babae dahil may Chad o Choco ako. Pakisabi na din sa kanila na mabait din naman ako.
So dahil din sa sacrifice natin, nakapagtapos ka, and I'm the most proud boyfriend habang pinapanood ka na magmarcha.
Hold me close, don't let me. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days.
Thank you kasi nakilala kita. And thank you kasi nagstay ka sa akin sa 15 years. Mahal na mahal kita.
I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad.
Thank you dahil sa lahat ng sakripisyo at sa pagmamahal sa akin. I love you, Ni.
Rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Then kiss. Stay lang, kiss. Stay lang. Stay lang, stay lang.